Okay, today we'll start Jenkins, right? So, what is Jenkins? Jenkins is a open source project written in Java that's run on Windows, Mac OS, and other OS. Means it's written in Java. So, for installation of Jenkins, first you have to install the Java. It's required the Java because it's written in Java. Then Jenkins automate the entire software development lifecycle, right? Actually it's a completely like heart of our DevOps. It's integrate all the tools and all the DevOps tools. Software development lifecycle is successfully uh, complete, right? Then when developer write code, we integrate all the code. We means the Jenkins, right? We integrate all the code of all developer at the point of time we build, test, and deliver and deploy to the client. This process is called CI/CD, right? So it's very important CI/CD. What is CI/CD? CI/CD means we integrate all the code when developer write the code, and we integrate all the code of all developers at the point of time we build, test, and deliver and deploy to the client side, right? This process is CI and CD. So CI means actually continuous integration, right? And CD means continuous delivery or deployment. So what is CI? CI means it's a combination of a test and build stage, right? So in the next slide, we can better understand what is CI and CD, right? Then see, you can see this image. Jenkins, here Jenkins is integrated with all the DevOps process. Like suppose we have plan, then we write the code, and this code will be built, and after build it's test, after test it's deploy and operation and monitor our application. We can see every means every step Jenkins helps to integrate with all the tools, right? Then go for next, the workflow of Jenkins, how Jenkins works. So when the developer, here is the just a minute. Here is the developer, right? When developer push the code into the GitHub repository, means it's our remote repository, let it GitHub repository. And when the code in the GitHub repository, Jenkins pull all the code into the our local machine, means where Jenkins is installed, pull all the code and start the build. Jenkins use the Maven build. Like suppose our code is in Java, right? So to build the Java application, we have used the Maven. Then after build, it's produce a artifact like .jar or .var artifact. Then it's test, means all the process is automated, right? Then it test, and after test, uh, means first thing is build, right? This is the build and this is the test. Uh, this process is known as the CI, means continuous integration. uh, I have already told you, like CI means it's a combination of build and test. So after build and test, the next stage is to deploy our application to our client server. For deployment, we have used the Ansible in the production, right? So this process is known as the CI and this process is known as the CD, continuous deployment, right? Uh, Maybe many interview, the interviewer will ask you, what do you mean by continuous deliver and a continuous deployment, right? What is the difference between, actually the process is same. right? But the approach is different. What is the approach means? Delivery means we have like suppose four environment, right? Four environment, suppose let it be dev environment and QA environment and pre-prod and prod environment, production, right? Up to the pre-fraud environment, the approach is continuous delivery, right? When our application will deploy to our client server, means the production environment, this approach is known as the continuous deployment. So in continuous deployment we have used the one of the DevOps tools is known as Ansible, right? So this is the completely our flow, Jenkins flow. And we can say also it's a completely software development lifecycle flow also, right? uh, then what is the advantage why we use the Jenkins, right? It's a lots of plugin available. We You can write your own plugin also. You can use the community plugin, right? And Jenkins is not just a tool, it's a framework. That is, you can do whatever you want. We can attach a slave to Jenkins master. It in instruct other slave to do the job. Actually it's a last point is very important, like it's a master and slave architecture. We can say it's a master and slave architecture. What is master and slave architecture means? We have a main Jenkins server. This is the master Jenkins server. And we have another two or three. We can create a node server, that is a slave server. And when the master is connected, the the slave is connected to the master server. And when the master server trigger any job to the and trigger any job, the job is built in the node or master server. Means it's a benefit. It's Jenkins is already overloaded, right? It's a use the Java memory, so JVM. So it's a already overloaded. So to overcome this performance, we can use the node machine. uh, we can connect to the master machine, and the build is done by the our node machine, right? It's a very important thing. uh, Sir, you have any doubts, sir? Hello?
What is the JVM? What about the JVM?
JVM actually Java virtual machine.
Okay, okay.
uh, if
What is the function
actually
of
when we
what
will
is the function?
sorry, hello?
What is the function of JVM? Like, when
JVM.
it will be overloaded, master machine will be when overloaded, then they go for the JVM or
No,
stack
no, 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 no,
JVM.
no, 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 no. Actually, when we will install the Java, right? Jenkins actually Java, written in Java. So we have to install the Java, then JVM, right? It's create a Java virtual machine. Uh, we have lot of job in the Jenkins server, right? And when we build those things, means we have in the real time, that is not possible. We have built the only one job. We have to build at a time two or three job, right?
Mhm.
If you have built the two or three job in the Jenkins server itself, so Jenkins server may be down. It will take lot of memory, lot of CPU utilization, right? uh,
Okay, got
so
it.
suppose your aim is to build at a time two or three or four job, right? So you have to create two or three slave machine and build one by one job, right? Suppose slave machine is one, two, or three, right? You have to build three job, right? So you have connected one job to your slave one, then job two in a slave two machine, and accordingly slave three machine also.
One
To
question is
overcome the
that
CPU utilization in the your master server, you just distribute the
so
load.
okay in Slab server what tools we install there? In
Yes, yes.
that also Jenkins or other
No, no,
tools.
no, 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 not need to Jenkins install. You have to install one client client application in the node server, and it's required like suppose think in the slave server. What we'll do, we'll do the only the build, right? Only build our application to produce a end product, our application, that is .war or .jar file, right? For build we have used the maven, right? So maven is installed in the slave or node server, right? And our application is java based application, so definitely we have to install the java in the node server. These two things we have to install in the node server. One is the java and second one is the maven. Maven is for build our application. If you not install the maven, then how it will build the java application and produce the jar or .war file,
Okay,
right?
got it.
So let's here is the installation process, how we can install the our Jenkins server, right? So do the demo here, how to install the Jenkins. Okay, so first go to the AWS console, login, go to here EC2, then instance, then launch instance. Then give a suitable name for our Jenkins server. I'm writing Jenkins, right? Then I'm selecting the Amazon Linux, right? So then go to the select your AMI. I'm selecting free tier this machine. Then here is the instance type. Let it be is the T2 micro. It's a free tier. Then key pair, I am selecting my key pair, power cloud. It's already downloaded in my machine, so let it be default setting. Okay, leave this, just click on launch instance. Actually one thing I forgot to uh, shown you, like the when we will create a instance, we can at a time we can install any software, right? Means suppose uh, uh, our aim is to create a instance, right? At the booting time we can install like Apache application. Hello.
Okay, okay, got it, got
This thing next time I will show you.
it.
take the public IP, then go to git bus. Okay, I'm in the git bus. Just type the username, right? So I'm taken the uh, Amazon Linux machine. So its user id is by default user id is ec2 hyphen user, right, at the rate the public ip, right? So you got this thing now, ssh hyphen I, and my
Right, right. Yeah.
my pem file means the key pair is
Mhm.
located in the
Um,
download folder, right? So
right, right.
I have the this given the this path, right? Then press enter,
Mhm.
then yes, right? So I'm landed on the our virtual machine, right? So here we can use the yum module. Uh, Let me update this sudo yum update hyphen y, press enter. Okay, so let's go to our document, how to install Jenkins. So we can I can provide this link. You can also follow this link, right?
Okay, okay,
uh,
thank you.
this installation of Jenkins in Amazon Linux too. So first we have to install the Java, because Jenkins is a Java based application. So let's copy this thing and paste it here, press enter. Yes, right. Then uh, Java is installed, then install the JDK, Java JDK. Then create a path for, means it's a environment variable. So create a path for this Java. Then this is the path environment variable. Then then we have to install the Jenkins, right? For install the Jenkins, first we have to go to the Jenkins official page, right? So the official page is jenkins.io. Press enter. This is the Jenkins official page, and click on the download section, right? In the download section you can see this is two things like LTS and only download the Jenkins, right? So we will take this LTS version, and according to your OS we can select any operating system, right? So our OS is Red Hat family. So click on this, then copy this repo for download the Jenkins. Just copy this and paste it here, press enter. Then second one, copy this, and okay, fine. Then go to our documentation, right? So this thing actually in this documentation, this repo is updated, so this repo is not working. uh, I am giving also this link, jenkins.io. You can go to the official page and download these two repo. After these two repo downloaded in your machine, then you can follow this documentation step by step. Then go to install C. Actually what happened here, um, actually our application suppose in Java 8, right? So we have to first download the Java 8 version, right? Right, but in Jenkins update, Jenkins not will be start in Java 8 version. So we have to install the Java 11 version and start the Jenkins. But in Jenkins build path, we have to provide the Java 8 version, right? So let me install the Java 11.
Acha, the
Mhm.
concept is not clear. When I have to install Java 8 and when 11.
See, actually in updated version, it's required minimum requirement is Java 11, right? If you will go through the 8 Java 8 version, then Jenkins will not start, right? To start the Jenkins, you we have to require the minimum requirement is install the Java, right? Because it's written in Java, right?
Yep, right,
Mm.
right.
So it's the minimum requirement for updated version. It's a minimum requirement. We have to install the Java 11. For that, we can install. We can start the our Jenkins application, right? But the problem is that suppose our code is very old, like it's written in Java 8. Then what we will do? We have to install two Java version in our machine. Then one we have to set like our Jenkins Jenkins is to start in 11, right? Java 11. And in the Jenkins UI you have to provide a Java path. In that case we have provided the Java 8 path, right? For the solution means it will when the our code will build, it will take the Java 8 version. Hello.
Okay, got it.
Hmm. It's actually troubleshooting part.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, let me share the link. Stopped. Why stopped? Okay, let me again install the Java 11. Yes. Okay, now it's installed. Let's go to our document. Here we have installed the Java 11. Then in our virtual machine we have two version of Java, right? One is the 8 and another one is the 11. So you have to select the default version for our machine. Uh, just copy this command and paste it here, like update the alternative version, press enter. You can see here
Your screen is not visible. Can you present one second?
okay, okay,
Yeah, now it's coming.
okay. Only Java you're showing is only Java 8. Just a minute. Java 11 is not installed. Once again install Java. Okay, then go to this command to show दिखाना तो चाहिए था just it's not JDK, I think that's why it's not showing. It's a JDK 11. Okay, uh, okay, let's go for other version of Java, like Java, not go for official documentation. Let's check Jenkins.io download section. Go to the download section, then select your operating system. Let me download this Java version, copy, sudo, paste it here. I think it is already available but not showing here. Java. Okay. Why it's not showing here? Okay, let me install the Jenkins. Let's see what happens. Yes. Okay. Jenkins is installed. Then start the Jenkins. I think it will not start. Yes, because Java version is not selected here. Only Java 8 is showing here. Okay, let me install Java 17. not the official page. Oracle, this one, Java, Oracle Java. Go for Java 17 and Linux. Okay, copy this. Let me search it here on the Google. To install Java 17. Sudo yum Java handler, right? Okay, then check. Yes, yes, sir. We can see here when hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, yes. Uh, you can see here when I installed Java 17, it will shown like it's have the Java 8 also Java 11 version, right? So it when you will
11 or 17, Java 17.
17, right, 17, right. When we will run this command like update means you have in this command we can select which version, default version for your virtual machine. So you can see the star mark, this the plus and star mark is here means two. This is the one, right? This is the one where Java 8 is installed, and this is the 2 for Java 17 in install, and it's by default it's already selected Java 17, right? So no need to select the default. If this plus or star symbol is on the one, then just for the default setting which version we want to select for default, just press the number. Suppose we want to select the one version, right? Matlab, means Java 8, just press 1, just then press enter. Hmm. Then you can see the plus symbol is in the 1, right? If I will press 2 and press enter, you can see the the default version is Java 17 selected, right? So let me check the Java version. Java hyphen version, sorry, typo error. Version, yes, you can see the here is the install 17, right? So let's go to our again documentation. Then you have already in download the Java, right? And just install already. I think we have already also installed also, but now we can start the Java. Sorry, Jenkins. Just start. It will take time to start. Just 1 minute. It will take time.
तो जेकिन पहले इंस्टॉल कर लिया था ना?
हेलो.
जेकिन तो पहले इंस्टॉल कर लिया था ना?
यस 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 जेनकिन पहले तो इंस्टॉल कर लेते, ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
अच्छा।
हाँ, अभी स्टार्ट हो गया, राइट. देन व्हाट हैपन, इट स्टार्ट एंड वी कैन चेक द स्टेटस हियर. जस्ट प्रेस एंटर. It's showing the active, right? And then enable the Jenkins server means its command is for when we will restart or reboot our system, uh, Jenkins automatically start, right? This command is helpful for automatic start the Jenkins. It's created a Simulink already created, right? Created a link, and it will when our system is reboot, it first execute this Simulink and automatically start the Jenkins server. Then okay. So now we can see the Jenkins UI in our browser. For that, we have to take the public IP. Actually, Jenkins, the default port for Jenkins is 8080, right? So you have to first whitelist the port 8080. Otherwise, it will not work. Go to the security group, uh, edit inbound rule, and 8080 save rule. Okay, now go to our instant and take the public IP. Take the public IP 8080, press enter. What happened? Sorry, right, right. Hmm. Hello.
हेलो सुना?
Okay. So now our UI Jenkins UI is opened, but it's showing like the administration password. How we will get the administration password? In this path, actually Jenkins stored the administration password. Just copy this path and go to our terminal. Then type sudo cat. Then paste the path. Press enter. Just copy this password and paste it here. Continue. Okay, it's showing the install the plugin, right? Install suggested plugin. I am going this install suggested plugin. So it will install the suggested plugin. At that time, let's set up another setup in the Jenkins server. So we have installed the Jenkins. Then second thing, the third thing is install the Git. Why we install the Git? Because in the source code management, that is the in the GitHub, right? Jenkins first duty is to pull all the code. For pulling the code, we have to install the Git, right? So let's install the git. Copy this and paste it here, press enter. Okay, okay, git is installed. Then then let's install the maven. Maven is for build the application, right? Java based application. Go to this path and copy. Okay, copy the this link, paste it here, press enter. Okay, so it's not 404 not found. So that means the version is not available here. Let me change the version. Like let me 5. Let's see what happened. Yeah, download. It's download. Then on tab ls hyphen l, right? Here is the download the maven, and then next step is on tab the this uh, tar file, right? Just copy this and paste it here. Just change the version here because it's a old documentation. That's why the version is not available now. Yeah, it's untar now. Then change the name like Maven. Okay, ls hyphen l. Right. So the Maven, here is the entire Maven, and um, rename the Maven. Right now we can delete this thing unnecessary. It will take the memory. Sudo remove. Okay, now it's deleted. Ls hyphen l. Right. Then go to the next step. Okay, then create a shell script for to automate the our Jenkins path, Java path, right? Right here, and copy this all those things, and I okay, paste it here and save this file. Now execute this file. Okay, okay, fine, everything is fine. Now go to our Jenkins UI browser. Let's see what happened. Okay, now it's all plugin are installed, and create a fast admin account. So I'm giving my name here and giving a password. Any password you can give. Okay, then confirm password. Then full name. Then the mail ID. Then save and continue. So it will show the what is the default Jenkins URL. This is the default Jenkins URL. In this URL, you can access the Jenkins, right? This is the public IP, and the 8080 is the default port for the Jenkins. Save and finished. Start Jenkins. So here is the Jenkins the dashboard, right? In Jenkins dashboard, for create a new job, we can click here, new job, right? Then the manage Jenkins, all the settings and everything is the in the manage Jenkins. And this is the build executor status. Means we have two build executor, right? We have the two executor. What is the executor? Executor means here you can see the here written the two, one and two, means we can at a time build two job, right? Two job and all other job are in the queue. Here build queue, right? At a time we can build two job and other job are in queues. The it's actually the best practice is the number of core. We can decide the how many executor are present, or how many executor you have to set. This thing you have to set actually, means you can increase or decrease your uh, executor, right? So let's go to the manage Jenkins section, and we have to set up the our tools, right? Go to the tool section and give the Java path. Actually, Jenkins don't know where is the Java installed, right? So click on add Java, name Java, any name Java, and give the path. How you will give the path? Here you can write which Java. Okay, or we can go to the documentation. You can find the Java path here. Here is the where is the Java path? This is the Java path. I am giving the Java 8 path because our application is in written in Java 8. Give the path. Okay, it will take. If it will not take, it will show the error. Like suppose I am deleting one letter, you can see this is the error message, right? Then go to let it be default, then go to the maven. Where is install maven? In the opt section we have installed the maven. uh, Local, give a name local underscore maven. Not automatically give the path. Where is the path? You can see this is the cd slash opt. I have installed in the opt path, right? This is the maven path. So I'm giving this path slash opt slash maven. Okay, it will take and save this. Right, now it's saved. And one thing is system. Yes, system. Go to the system. We can see the many option here. Yes, this is the default path actually in the Jenkins server. You can check also cd. The default path, maybe interviewer will ask you what is the default path for Jenkins, right? So cd slash var slash leave Jenkins. This is the default path. ls hyphen l. You can see all the Jenkins related things are present here, right? And what is the workplace, right? Then here is the executor. If I will increase this executor to 3, right, and apply and save, you can see the executor number is increased to 3, right? Then go to the manage Jenkins system. Okay, okay, then this is the system message. Leave it, label, leave it. This is the Jenkins URL, default URL. System admin email address. Uh, the mail address I'm giving here in my mail address, and save it. This thing and all those things we will learn later, right? Save this, save this. Okay, let's do a small demo for uh, to build the job, right? Let's first freestyle job. Give a suitable name. Hello, hello. Okay, okay, okay. So how to build the job? Click on the new item, right? And here you can see the freestyle. We can build a freestyle job, right? Pipeline job, multi configure project folder, multi branch pipeline, right? And one thing is there, organize copy. There is no copy, right? So leave it. Give a name. Suppose I'm giving you project one and build a freestyle project. Okay.
What does mean this freestyle pipeline and multi-controller project?
Hello.
What is the meaning of my freestyle project? It means
Yes, yes.
how it differs from
Freestyle
pipeline.
project means
Okay.
actually difference. If you go for the
무슨 뭘 고르고 따라 무슨 이제 뜻은 제
freestyle project and the pipeline project. Freestyle project is our contributor may be one, right? One contributor, but in the pipeline project, many contributors
Okay.
contribute in the project, right? So this is the freestyle job. Now in the configuration section freestyle job, this is all the configuration we will study later. Let's do a small uh, thing, that build step. Click on build step and go to the executor cell, right? And give some Linux command like echo my name, right? And save this. Let's see what happened. Build. Okay, it's success. Like when we click on build now, it will give the success. Like you can go to the console output. How you will go to the console output? Just click on the this tick mark, right? Just click on the tick mark and go to the console output. You can see echo my name, then the output is my name, right? Suppose I am do some uh, wrong thing, right? I am just sorry, again it will build. Okay, suppose I am doing this some wrong thing in the code, right? Go to the again the configuration and go to, okay, go to the this build step and do some wrong thing, like, right? And save this and build. It will build will failed. You can see the build will fail, right? This is the cross mark. If you want to see the why build is failed, for that you have to go to the console output. How you will go to the console output? Just click in on the cross mark, right? And you can see build is failed. Build step executor cell marked built as failed. Means this thing is not in the what our Java, our Linux command, right? Let me create a folder, right? In the uh, Linux command, let me create a folder. Mkdir forward, save this and build. Okay, it's success.
This PowerPlate folder will show in the Amazon Linux machine.
Yes, 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 yes. Where it will save, it will save. We can see here, var lib Jenkins workspace. There is a folder created workspace. Under that workspace, the project folder is created. Means the project one means when I will when at the time of created project, at that time I have mentioned the project one, right?
Right, right.
And this folder is automatically created. So let's go to the Linux terminal and see timeout here. Let's wait. Okay, okay, go to cd slash var leave, then Jenkins, press enter, ls hyphen l, there is a folder like workspace. Just go inside it, pwd, you can see var leave Jenkins workspace, ls hyphen l, there is a one folder like project one, right? cd project one, and uh, we have created a folder here, power cloud. Let's check the folder is present or not. See, the folder is present, right? So in this way we can automate many things in Jenkins, right? For today यहीं पर ही रखता है.
Okay, okay.
हाँ.